what up, folks? Here's another installment in getting your own drywall and mud done. So usually after you have put in your outlets, if you're perfect, maybe you can get it to where there's really no space there. But if not, most of the time you're gonna have some sort of space around that. So what you want to do is most professionals that I've seen say stay away from using this type of mesh tape and just use your traditional mud and tape. So what I'm gonna do is just tape up, pull up about yeah, that's cool. 4 pieces like that. The side should be a little longer. So this will be there. And then we'll just break this off for the whole thing right here. Bing. Right. So the key to getting this stuff right is make sure it's wet when you apply it. So I just mixed this this mud up, so it should be nice, or it is nice and moist. So I'm nice and moist and ready to go. So I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna go straight from the bucket though. And first I'm gonna fill in the little sides a little bit. Oops, that'll always come off. So get that in there. I'll get all this off later. Professionals, don't clown me now, don't clown me. This is not for the pros. This is for the DIY guys that are just trying to save some money and get her done without hurting themselves. I'm just trying to get it in there so that when the mommy's coming home, chill out, dude. You're on YouTube whining about your mama. I'm joking. For all the people out there, we support mama. We don't want to give them any trauma. We don't want to have any baby mama trauma or mama trauma, because she ain't baby mama, that's mama. All right, so now that that's good, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on these already, just so that it's nice and spread pretty well. Don't have any issues. Just left that bad boy right there. All right, slap that bad boy right there. Get that pressed down. One up top, cover it up. I don't think you have to have every spot covered, because it will. That's what I should do on the bottom, actually. Let me correct that, because I don't want to be touching that part, the metal. Go up and under. All right. That's flat. There you go. That in. Make sure that's flat. Press it so it pushes whatever from the back, but not too hard. And then we're gonna do the same thing with these longer pieces. Hey, don't mind my son in the background. He's just playing Mario Kart, chilling out while Daddy knocks this out. All right, so pretty good cover. Lay that bad boy down. Right there, because I don't want it on the plastic, right? Alright, so get all that in there, and then let's do this one more time with this last one. I will not edit out my mistakes. I'll leave it in there just so you guys can see that these are not crazy mistakes to fix. Obviously pros do it better. They do it 100% the way a pro would do it, but I am not a pro. And I'm just trying to do it in a way that will get the job done properly. All right, so now what we want to do is go through, tap it down, you know, run this down so that some of that mud comes out, but not all of it, because you want it to have enough to adhere down there. And then now we're just gonna smooth this out. Smooth her on out. And this is where you can go back and clean up. Oopsie, yeah, you gotta watch that. But see, these are like little things that like, all right, it'll probably happen. Just fix it. Nothing crazy. And if I really had to, I would just take it off and do it again. And then what we'll do is we'll let that layer dry. Let that layer dry in there, and then come back, hit it with like one smooth, heavier layer. And we're not gonna let that layer dry all the way, but we'll let it dry enough to where we're not pushing the paper around. So we'll come back after that sets a little bit, hit it with one more full layer across where it's a lot smoother, and then that'll be it on this one, right? So not that hard of a job here. Go there. There you go. All right, peace.